Hello, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we're talking about the best printer for home office use. Having the right printing equipment can make all the difference when it comes to running your home office, and that's why we wanted to share our favorite picks with you. All these best printers come with advanced features and quality printing and are a great fit for home offices. If you want to purchase them, then the link to each printer is given in the description below. The best thing is that these links are updated daily, and you can get the best deals on these printers. So without wasting any more time, let's start our list. Number 1 is Canon TR8620a. The Canon TR8620a is undoubtedly one of the best printers for home offices, and for a good reason. Its sleek and compact size makes it easy to fit into any workspace, whether you have a dedicated office or need to share your printing space with other household activities. The large 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen ensures an easy user interface experience, making navigating through all the printer's features simple. One of the standout features of the TR8620a is its easy setup for smartphones and computers, which means you can get to work in no time. Its Wi-Fi and USB connectivity options make connecting to your preferred device easy. With its inkjet printing technology, you can produce high-quality prints in both color and monochrome. The TR8620a also has a built-in fax and a 20-sheet ADF, allowing you to handle all your scanning and faxing needs efficiently. Plus, with its auto duplex printing feature, you can save both time and paper, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. So if you like this printer, then check out the link in the description box to get it.